ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवधू गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उदोध इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः याध इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यादवदयानो रुद्रमृदया यादे रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा भावकाशिनी तया नस्तनुभाषन्दमया गिरिजन्धाभिजागशीः यामिषं गिरिजन्धहस्ते विपश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरिददां कुरु माहि गुंसीः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा ध्वा गिरिजाच्च वदामसि यदा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असद् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषग् ऐगुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्थाम्रो अरुण उद बभ्रु सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिदा सहस्रशो वैशागुं एदईमहे असौ यावसर्वदिनीरग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृदयादिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं देव्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तमुभयोराग्नियोज्याम् याश्च देहस्त इषवः परादा भगवो बभा अवदद्यदनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षजदेशुरे ऋषिरशल्यानां मुखा शिवो न सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कवर्दिनो विजल्यो बाणवागुम् उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निशं गदिः या देहेतिर्मीदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वदस्तमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नाददाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिदे धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वदः अतो य इषुदिष्टवारे अस्मन्निदेहिदम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिगाग्निघालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनानेदिजां जपदये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पदये नमो नमः। सस्विञ्जराय द्विषेमदेवतीनां पदये नमो नमो बभ्लुजाय विव्याधिनेनानां पदये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीदिने पुष्टानां पदये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगदां पदये नमो नमो रुद्राय ददाविने क्षेत्राणां पदये नमो नमः। सूदाय हन्याय वनानां पदये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपदये वृक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो मन्द्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो भुवन्दये वारिवस्कृतायोषधीनां पदये नमो नमः। उच्चैकोशाय ग्रन्थयदे बद्धीनां पदये नमो नमः। कृत्स्नवीदाय दावदे सद्वनां पदये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः। ककुवाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पदये नमो नमो वञ्जदे परिवञ्जदे स्थायूनां पदये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचराय अरण्यानां पदये नमो नमः। श्रीगाविभ्यो जिगागुंदद्भ्यो मुष्णदां पदये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रगन्धानां पदये नमो नमः। उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्जानां पदये नमो नमः। इषुमद्योदन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आयच्छद्यो वृषजद्यश्च वो नमो नमो यद्यो विद्यद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आसीनेभ्यश्च शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। स्वपद्यो जागृद्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्यो दावद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः। नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। उगनाभ्यस्तृगं हदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। व्रादेभ्यो व्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। महद्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। रतिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। रथेभ्यो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रिभ्यः शङ्खहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथधारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्यो धन्वकृद्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः प्रभ्यश्वपदिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिगन्धाय च नमः कवर्दिने च युक्तगेजाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिजाय च शिबिविष्टाय च नमो मीदुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहदे च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च समृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवेजाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः सोदस्याय च द्विभ्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च वरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च वगल्वाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः लोक्याय च वदान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आजुषेणाय चाजुरदाय च नमः शूराय जावविन्धते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरोदिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः स्तुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृजाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णे च वेचायुरिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः कृत्याय च वद्याय च नमः काद्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्दाय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वश्याय च वश्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईद्रियाय च दप्याय च नमो वाद्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे जहनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवधराय च नमः ईद्याय च गुल्याय च नमः वार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रदरनाय चोदरनाय च नमः आधार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः चष्म्याय च विन्याय च नमः श्रीगद्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः ईरिण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किगुंजिलाय च शयनाय च नमः कवर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ट्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्व्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काद्याय च गह्वरेस्ताय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्याय च शून्याय च नमः पन्याय च पन्नशद्याय च नमो भगुरमानाय च विघ्नदे च नमः आगिरदे च ब्रक्किरदे च नमो किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणगेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः निर्हदेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः द्रावे अन्नसस्वदे दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभिर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममद या ते रुद्रशिवा धनो शिवा विश्वः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी दयानो मृदजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तपसे कपर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रवरामये मदिं यदा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् निदानो रुद्रोदनो मयस्कृतिक् शयद्वीराय नमसा विधीमदे यच्चं च योश्च मनुराय जे विदातदस्यामतवरुद्ध प्रणीदोः मानो महान्दमुदमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्दमुदमान उक्षिदम् मानो बलिः पितरं मोदमादरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्धरीरिषः मानस्तोकेदनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्धवामिदो बलिर्हविष्मन्धो नमसा विधीमदे आराधे गोग्न उदुपूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय त्वं नमस्मेरे अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिजदेव ब्रूयराजनः शर्म यच्छत् विबर्हाः स्तुहिश्वतं दत्त सदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुदमद्दुमुग्रम् विदाचरित्ये रुद्धस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव बन्धुसेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विनक्तु परिवेशस्य दुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरामगवद्वयस्तनुष्वामी वस्तोकायतनयाय मृदया मीदुष्टम शिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव वरमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृत्तिं वसान आचन विनागं बिभ्रदागहि विगिरिदविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेदयोन्यमस्मन्निव बन्धुदाः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुगाग्रिदि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये वृद्धा अधिभूम्याम् तेजागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि अस्मिन् महज्जर्नवेन्दरिक्षे भवादि नीलग्रीवाशिरिगन्धा शर्वादः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशिरिगन्धादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्मिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाश कवर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु विवदो जनान् ये वदाम्बदिलक्षलैरभृदायव्युदः ये देदानि व्रजरन्ति शिखाबन्धो निषङ्गिनः य एतावन्तस्य भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्धाभिदस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं द्वादो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचे दश दक्षिणा दश प्रदीचे दशोदीचे दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृदयन्तु देयं विष्मो यश्च नोद्वेष्टितं भो चम्बे ददामि त्र्यम्बके यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुधं बाजा मृत्यो मध्याय हन्तवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्तकः तेनानेनाव्ययस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि तमुस्तु हि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वस्य च यदि वेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवसुरं दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यगुं शिवा विमरुशनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः संयमे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे दविनं च मे यन्दा च मे दर्दा च मे क्षेमश्च मे दिदिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संदिच्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुश्च मे भ्रसुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मर्दं च मे मृदं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुध्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुजा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
अम्बिकातनया गजानना
Shiva शङ्कर महादेवा
dim dim dimmi dimmi natana shiva
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 तांडव केली विलास शिवा
तांडव केली विलास शिवा
तांडव केली विलास शिवा
तांडव केली विलास शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन शिवा
dim dim dimmi dimmi natana shiva
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
आत्मलिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
आत्मलिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
साई शिवा हर बाल 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 शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन शिवा
dim dim dimmi dimmi natana shiva
तांडव केली विलास शिवा
तांडव केली विलास शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन शिवा
dim dim dimmi dimmi natana शिवा
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
आत्मलिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा
साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन शिवा
गंग जटाधर गौरी शंकर गिरिजावन रमणा गंग जटाधर गौरी शंकर गिरिजावन रमणा गंग जटाधर गौरी शंकर गिरिजावन रमणा गंग जटाधर गौरी शंकर मृत्युंजय महादेव महेश्वर मंगल शुभचरणा
मृत्युंजय महादेव महेश्वर मंगल शुभ चरणा
मृत्युंजय महादेव महेश्वर मंगल शुभचरणा
मृत्युंजय महादेव महेश्वर मंगल शुभ चरणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
नंदिवाहना नागभूषणा
निरुपम गुणसहना
निरुपम गुण सगना
निरुपम गुणसहना
निरुपम गुण सगना
नटन मनोहर नीलकंठ
गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोपिकमाल हारी प्यारी माई मीर मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय गोपिकमाल हारी प्यारी माई मीर मन विहार मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय राम कृष्ण जय राधा कृष्ण जय बाल कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल कृष्ण जय
सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया शांति शांति शांति।
I offer my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our most loving and compassionate Lord and Master, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, Om Sai Ram, loving aspirants of Sai. On behalf of the Sri Satya Sai Overseas Organization of South Africa, Chatsworth Region 2, I extend a very warm and loving welcome to each and every one of you to this morning's online satsang. We pray that you and your families are keeping well. Your Go Green infographic this week. In the cosmos, the first manifestation of the divine is as water. Man cannot live without water. Water is present everywhere, though in some places it will be visible on the surface and below the ground in others. The divine is protecting all living beings in the form of water. Water is known by another name, Jivanam, that is life. God is making His presence manifest in the world in the form of water. Sri Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 23, 1990. Sharing a 108 gem experience this morning, we have Sister Judy from Bayview Sai Center.
Om Sai Ram. My humble salutations at Thy Lotus Feet of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. My gem is on Sri Sai Sarva Shakti Muktaya Namaha. I am Judy Durpal. My experience is going back to health reasons. Swami helped me in many ways. I was an asthmatic. Ever since Swami is in my life, Swami has taken control over my health. I had many trying moments. My asthma attack was so bad, I used to be rushed to hospital, whether day or night. Following Swami's teachings, my eating habits has changed, which helped me to heal. Now I am a normal, healthy person. Thanks to our beloved Swami for his Shakti power that gave me a new life. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, Sister Judy, for sharing your experience with us this morning. Your announcements for this week. Sunday morning sadhana commences at 5:30 a.m., followed by Havan at 7 a.m. This morning's Havan was conducted by Bayview Sai Center. At 9:15 a.m., Vedam classes continue. We would like to encourage all devotees to attend the last Center Study Circle, which will be held on the 22nd of November. We would also like to encourage Go Green initiatives across all the wings, planting of herb and veg gardens and speckbone, making of eco bricks, and also your collection of cans, paper, and e-waste for recycling may be dropped off at the Satya Sai School, Chatsworth. Point number 10 of Swami's 10 principles to be followed is: observe your country's laws and be an exemplary citizen. Never go against the law of the land. Follow the letter of the law. The members of the Sri Satya Sai organizations should follow the law in spirit also and be models for the government. Sri Satya Sai Baba. Let us follow our Swami's teachings and be model citizens for our government. Our government is encouraging all citizens of South Africa 12 years and older to take the COVID-19 vaccinations. Let us become ideal citizens following our Swami's teachings and vaccinate. The Sri Satya Sai Overseas Organization South Africa, Chatsworth Region 2, lovingly invites you and your family to the 96th birthday celebrations of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, 24th November 2021, 6:30 p.m. His life is his message, and his message is love. We pray to our most loving, compassionate, and merciful Lord for his continuous guidance and protection. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Irish Singh. Today I am going to be telling you about how Swami is my pillar of strength. From the time I was born, my grandparents used to take me to the ashram, and as I got older, my parents made me go to Bal Vikas and learn about Swami and his teachings. As I got to learn about Swami, I started worshipping him and practicing his teachings. It's because of Swami that I don't join the wrong company. I join people that pray to God and practice Swami's teachings. I learned that we are all here for a purpose, and that purpose is to do Swami's work. We are not going to live forever, but while we are here, we should do good things and try to be the best people that we can be. I am grateful that out of billions of people, I am one of the people that Swami chose to follow his teachings. Swami is my pillar of strength because Swami is my motivation, and Swami is there for me to talk to him about any problems. I pray to him to guide me on his path, because no matter what I go through, Swami is always there protecting and guiding me. Thank you.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Kira Shagarib. I believe in Swami because he is there to guard, protect, and lead me in life. My goal is to bring myself closer to Swami and to have more faith in myself. A lesson that I learned is to never put your happiness in the hands of anyone but God.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Devasti Naidu. My topic: Sai, my pillar of strength. I was blessed to make my first trip to Prashanti Nilayam at the tender age of 2. Although I do not remember much of this trip, I vaguely remember Swami in his physical form giving us darshan in the Purna Chandra Hall. I remember sitting for hours waiting for Swami to give us darshan. My second trip to Prashanti Nilayam was at the age of 5. Before we went to the ashram, we visited a few places in the south. On our way to Prashanti Nilayam, I picked up a bug. My parents did not think much of it as I was handling it well. On arriving at Prashanti and settling in our accommodation, I started to develop a fever. I was very close to my grandparents, especially my granny, and they could not sleep without her. I attended darshan that evening and started vomiting and getting diarrhea afterwards. My granny tried to get me to eat, but I had no appetite at all. She gave me some medication which my granddad got from the pharmacy outside the ashram. She also kept chanting and gave me vibhuti water and constantly prayed to Swami. By 2 o'clock in the morning, I took a bad turn and I was rushed to the general hospital. When I was admitted, it did not seem like a hospital because there was so much love that it seemed like I was in the ashram itself. They immediately put me on drips as I was dehydrated. They did not administer any medication because they did not believe in medication. The only medication that I was given was tons of divine love from the doctors and nurses. My granny sat with me the entire day and I was discharged later in the evening. We attended bhajans at the Sai Kulwant Hall and once again I received darshan from the Lord. Thereafter, we visited a few other places like Chennai and Goa before returning home. I thank Swami for giving me the opportunity to visit Prashanti and seeing him in his physical form. I know that he was the one that allowed me to recover from the terrible situation. Thank you.
Om Saram. My name is Jasmeeta Singh, and today I'm going to tell you about a significant period in my life that Swami made happen. I'm sure we all have very special moments where we realize that Swami will always be there to protect us and guide us. And today I would like to share mine with you. As a teenager in today's world, there is a lot of peer pressure to do sinful things. I, for one, have been exposed to these things, but I'm glad to say that Swami has helped me reject all of the peer pressure that has influenced my life. Swami has helped me with everything, whether it be academically, socially, or emotionally. He has always been there to pick me up when I'm at my lowest. Swami helped me stay on the right path, and yes, I might stray from the path at time to time, but I always come back, and every time Swami forgives me. I've realized that I'm very fortunate to have been exposed to my spiritual path, because without it, I don't know where I'd be. Without Swami, I don't know where I'd be. Thank you.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Kyasha Mudli and I will talk about my personal experience with Swami. My life was turned upside down when 2 of the girls in my class tested positive for COVID. I became highly anxious and nervous because not a few days before that, I was in close contact with one of the girls busy with a school project. This girl also happened to be a good friend of mine. A few days later, I became ill with flu-like symptoms severe enough to keep me home from school. My family and I were very anxious as we feared the worst, that being I was positive for COVID. My symptoms got progressively worse. It was decided that I would have to get a COVID test done. My family and I thought for sure that I would test positive. I prayed to Swami to keep me safe and protect me and my family during this trying time. After having the test done, we waited anxiously for the results, but my connection with Swami remained strong. 12 hours later, the test came back negative to our relief, and 2 days later, I was back at school with all my symptoms completely gone. My firm faith in my master had pulled me through this traumatic time. He is always omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Sonali. My personal experience with Sai is at the age of 18 months, I went to Puttaparthi to meet Swami. Swami was sitting on his chair, and I called Baba. He raised his hand to me, giving me his blessings, and I still get visions of that day even though I was so young.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Hemaline Mortian and I'm going to speak about how Satya Sai Baba has been my pull of strength. Sai is the divine light that brightens up my life. His teachings have taught me to respect, love, and to always have values. Sai Baba has set me on a path of devotion and purity. Swami's teachings have also taught me to be kind and selfless, to help ever and hurt never. In times of fear, I always remember that Sai is near. Swami was there for me through my greatest challenges and hardships. Times when I felt alone and like I was in a dark place, I'd pray to Swami, which eased my fear and made me feel happy and joyful. A few weeks ago, my family and I had got COVID. It was surreal. For the first few days, I was really scared. I had no one to talk to but Swami, so I prayed. I asked him to get us through this challenge that we were facing, to help us get better and recover. Each day I was recovering slowly, and so was my family. My dad got out of hospital, and my mom, brother, granny and I were feeling a whole lot better. Swami gave us the strength to fight this virus and overcome the tough time. When I was a kid, I also had various health issues. I was in and out of hospital and I feared it a lot. My parents were always by my side telling me that I'd be okay and I'd get better soon. I'd pray to Swami every night and every morning, not just to help me get better, but that I'm ever so thankful to have such love from my parents, and that praying to him made me feel better already. By just saying his name, Satya Sai Baba, gave me strength. Satya answered my prayers without a doubt, and I was out of hospital and I've never been to one in 5 years. I cannot express the gratitude I have to be given an opportunity of being a devotee of Satya Sai Baba. He is my pillar of strength and the light in my life. Thank you.
Hi Ram. My name is Navadia Pillai. Today I will be talking about my personal experience with my beloved Sri Satya Sai Baba. It was a few years back. My mother and I decided to visit the Grasmere Ashram to leave my birthday cake for blessing. I was around 3 at the time and very mischievous. My mom took me into the ashram to pray and leave my cake. I was extremely excited as my birthday was the next day. We came across a lot of people who were wishing me happy birthday even though my birthday was the next day. After the prayers, my mom and I were walking down the driveway to get to our car. Due to all the excitement, I decided to leave my mother's hand and run down to the car. I ran not knowing a car was coming up the road. My mom tried calling me, but I could not hear. It was far too late. The car had already arrived too close for anyone to do anything. At this point, I knew I was going to get knocked. I crouched my body in fear. To my surprise, the car had stopped. My mom ran down to come and get me. Everything had happened right outside the ashram. At the time, I was small and didn't understand the situation. But as I grew older, it started making sense to me. If it was too late for anything to happen, how did the car stop? Question upon question started popping up in my head. I finally came to a conclusion that Swami had saved me. Only Swami could have been responsible for me being saved. I am so grateful that I had been saved on that day. Today, I am a healthy living child, all thanks to my Swami. This was my first experience with Sai Baba. Thank you for listening to my experience with Swami. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. I'm Srishti Maharaj and I will be sharing my experience with you on how Bhagavan Baba has created a large impact in my life. Before I was born, my mom had found out she was pregnant, and because of her two previous miscarriages, it was very unlikely for her to birth another child. The doctors had said that because of her miscarriages, her current pregnancy was very risky and that she needed to take a lot of rest. After 3 months, when my mom went back to the doctor because she wasn't feeling well and was worried that she had another miscarrying, the doctors had told her that when he estimated the date that the baby will be born was the 23rd of November. At that moment, my mom had complete trust and faith in Bhagavan that this baby is his baby and he is going to take care of me. Thereafter, she had no worries and continued to play Vedic chants and Rudram every day for me to listen. And when I was born, I was a normal, healthy baby, which is all due to Bhagavan's grace. Jai Sai Ram.
This devotee is from Pune. He loved Swami so much that he wanted to leave everything at the age of 20 and settle in Prashanti Nilayam and offer his services to Swami. Any small service would do and make him happy to stay with Bhagwan. Swami assured him, but kept postponing because the right time had to come.
Right.
So then the process went on. He told, I will give you something very, very big. Then he was not convinced with Swami was telling. And then he went on to pester Swami, Swami, please, I want to stay with you in Prashantilayam and offer my service. Then Swami once, he called him, he told, I am always there with you, in you, around you, above you, below you. Have that faith. And then Swami granted him an interview in which a very unusual thing happened. Swami touched his head and he told, I am there in your head. Okay. Swami touched his eyes and told, I am there in your eyes. Swami touched his ears and told him, I am there in your ears. Swami touched his mouth and told him, I am there in your mouth. Swami touched his shoulders and told, I am there in your arms. Swami touched his feet and told, I am there in your feet too. This is what you have to contemplate upon. The person was very, very blissful. With that experience, he went out of the interview room. This he took as an opportunity. When Swami had gone on an outing, he was contemplating and meditating upon the fact. So as he was sitting in the meditation, after a few minutes, Swami had come and he was standing right in front of that man who was meditating. So this devotee opened his eyes and Swami asked him, what are you doing? And he told Swami, I am meditating upon you. Then Swami showed, are you meditating on this? Are you thinking of this? Yes, Swami, I am thinking that, I am meditating that you are everywhere. So this Swami is everywhere? Then Swami told, you have to close your eyes and meditate and contemplate upon the fact that Swami is present everywhere. And you have to open your eyes and experience the fact that Swami is everywhere. So this is the beautiful lesson that Swami had taught this person that day. And this is the kind of experience that all of us need to imbibe. Having known Bhagwan, having heard him, having experienced him, we should start extending that experience by seeing him in all that is around us.
Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. He is good, He is good, and His love will forever endure. We will bless His name as we all proclaim that His love endures forever. Stars at night and His love endures forever. With outstretched arm and by His might and His love endures forever. Adonai, Adonai, Baruch Hashem Adonai, Adonai Melech, Adonai Melech, Adonai Yeshua Tenu. To the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. He is good, and His love will forever endure. We will bless His name as we all proclaim that His love endures forever. You are good, and your love will forever endure. We will bless your name as we all proclaim your love endures forever. Your love endures forever. Your love endures ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।